Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and payment basics so purchases will route correctly. Sign into the same Google account used for Call of Duty Mobile, then open Play Store payment methods to confirm the card or balance is valid and not expired. Once done, make sure device date and time are set automatically and your Play Store app is updated. This prevents token or authorization mismatches. Also switch networks briefly. Sometimes 4G versus Wi-Fi resolves transient gateway errors. Try the purchase again. Next, clear temporary data that can block the purchase flow because stale tokens or corrupted cache often cause failures. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, clear cache and storage. Repeat for Google Play services. Then reauthorize by removing the payment method and re-adding it with proper billing address and CVV. Payment networks require exact matches to prevent declines. After making changes, force stop the Play Store, reboot the device to refresh system services, and retry the Codm purchase to see if authorization. Finish by ruling out external holds because banks or 3D Secure can silently block charges. You should contact your card issuer to confirm there's no fraud hold or declined 3D Secure prompt that didn't appear. If needed, switch to Google Play Balance, redeem a gift card, or use a different card to complete the Codm purchase. If problems persist, gather the exact error message and transaction ID. Then contact Google Play support. This helps them trace the failed authorization and reverse any stuck pending charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.